Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language on Bluesky Social. It's really easy and simple. First things first, of course, you want to make sure you're actually logged in into your Bluesky app or your desktop version. Then come here on the left pane, click on settings, and you'll see this option right here for languages. So now there's three different languages you can change. The app language, which will be the default text to display in the app. For example, these things, your settings, and primary language is for translations in your field. So if you ever see anything apart from your content languages, they will translate it automatically to English. And content languages is the languages you want your subscribe feeds to include. For example, mine is English, Spanish, and Swahili. You'll show me content that contains these languages, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. You can come here and change these and add more languages if you want, or you can change your primary language or your app language. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.